Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, there's something that I've been thinking about and I'm just like, I'm replaying Rio guys' words in my head and I'm just like, could there be something here? Uvuyokazi has been saying time and time again, or should I put it in the past tense? She has said in the past because I'm going to speak about her in the past tense because for the sake of this video, because she has confirmed that she's no longer with Mpumelelo, but she has said that she does not have a problem with Isthembu. Her problem was with the way Mpumelelo handled Isthembu Psyche. And I am calling it Isthembu because that's what we're referring to it as, but we all know that Mpumelelo is not married to any of these women, so that's that. But I guess, and I bet, and I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. And there's something that happened in the past, last week's episode of Izingane's Isthembu that made me think, Vuyokazi, like these words of the way Mpumelelo handled Isthembu Psyche was your problem. I'm starting to see that that's not only going to be Vuyokazi's problem. I feel like yes, Uvuyokazi is out of it, but I feel like uNosipho sooner or later is gonna see that uTirelo. I feel like even if Tirelo gets to see it or not, she's decided that she wants to be with the guy. So I don't know. But tell me why, you guys, on that last week's episode, right? Mpumelelo is going to buy. He is basically coming from, I believe it was the scene where he was with his uncles, basically going to look for the cattle that they were supposed to take to Nompumelelo's house. And the first thing he does, you guys, is pick up the phone and call who? Call Tirelo. And I'm just like, my guy, was it not you, number one, who said that you want a first wife who is a virgin? You even introduced uNosipho to your siblings, and Mpumelelo said that uNosipho is the ancestor's wife, meaning that she is specifically chosen by the ancestors to become wife number one. This is the same Mpumelelo who's basically saying that he does not usually notify his girlfriends about his news and what he's doing. He just does whatever he's doing. So if you are putting out a picture to us and you say uNosipho is your first wife, you just did this big thing of basically choosing cattle for your ex to pay for the damages of you basically taking a virginity. And the first thing you do is call uTirelo and not uNosipho. Like, what is that? Now, I know, guys, there's a possibility that he might have called uNosipho privately, but that's not the point. The point is what he's showing us. The fact that he called uTirelo first, and we don't see him have no conversation with uNosipho, and he himself explicitly says that he doesn't notify his girlfriends about what he's doing, he just does it. Is that not telling us that this guy, the same thing Uvuyokazi had a problem with, the way he handles his Isthembu, that he's going to be doing the same thing to these women? Because for me, if you're going to say that you want uNosipho to be the first wife, then I would at least expect you to give her the decency of calling her while filming, calling her first and notifying her, and maybe in your diary station explaining that I did speak to uNosipho about this, and then calling uTirelo second. But calling uTirelo first gives off the vibes that nothing has changed, because what Mpumelelo is going to do is Isthembu Psyche the way he wants to. So what's the point of uNosipho being wife number one if Mpumelelo does not even take the necessary steps to protect her image? Because he might have called her on the side, but to what we are seeing on the screens, you guys, it looks like he did not even consider her. It looks like he did not even have a conversation with her. So for me, that is not protecting her image. That is making her seem, or making things look like uTirelo is now that Uvuyokazi is out, uTirelo is basically going to be getting the treatment of a first wife, and uNosipho is just going to be getting the title of a first wife just because maybe she's a Tlele and just because she is chosen by the ancestors. And I'm like, you see, these two ladies and any other lady that is going to come into this whole shenanigan is going to have a problem. Now I am starting to see what Uvuyokazi was saying all along. And I actually thought that maybe Uvuyokazi was making things up when she said that when she was in Cape Town and Utirelo and Mpumelelo were this side in Gauteng, she said things changed. And I'm just like, I maybe realized was seeing her own stuff because Utirelo and Mpumelelo got to spend much more time together. But now I'm just like, nah. Vuyokazi was right, you guys. There's no way Mpumelelo did not even think of how it would come off or how Nosipho's image would come off there. Phela uTirelo and Nosipho are girlfriends in his life, right? I know Tirelo's his baby mama, but I would have at least expected him to, or I would have rather liked him to show a little bit of regard and respect for the woman that he says he wants to make the first wife by having a conversation with her or at least updating her, but nothing. I am just seeing Tirelo and Pumelelo, and I don't even know if the hype between their relationship, because even outside of the show, on the socials, it's just the two of them. I don't even know if the hype of their relationship is due to the fact that Uvuyogas is no longer in the picture, or is it always that type of thing? Because if it's really like that, that means it looks like she's just a spare wheel. And that's why you guys have always said that that title, Yoba Umamkulu, it's a scam. It's a scam because sometimes you're not going to get the treatment of Umamkulu. You just expected to say yes and understanding of certain things because you hold this title. But yet, when it comes to other things, it's just like, are you really happy or is your needs really being put first? I don't know, you guys. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Tell me, if you think I'm overthinking things, if I'm just overthinking things and it's really not that deep, tell me what you think about this whole thing. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.